10. Solve the equations. 5x plus 2y is equal to 14. Equation 1. Y minus 6z is equal to minus 15. Equation 2nd. X plus 2y plus z is equal to 0. Equation 3. Equation 3rd. Multiplying equation 1 by 1 and equation 2 by 2, we have 5x plus 2y is equal to 14 and 2y minus 12z is equal to minus 13. Subtracting, we have 5x plus 12z is equal to 44. Equation 4. Again multiplying equation 1 by 2 and equation 3 by 1, we have 2x plus 4y is equal to 28 and x plus 2y plus z is equal to 0. Subtracting, we have minus x minus 2y minus z is equal to minus 28, or x plus 2y plus z is equal to 28. Equation 5. Multiplying equation 4 by 1 and equation 5 by 5, we have 5x plus 2 plus 12z is equal to 44 and 5x plus 10y plus 5z is equal to 140. Subtracting, minus 10y plus 7z is equal to minus 96, or 10y minus 7z is equal to 96. Equation 6. Putting the value of z in equation 4, we have 5x plus 2 into minus 6z is equal to 14, or 5x is equal to 14 minus 2 into minus 6z is equal to 14 plus 12z, or 5x is equal to 14 plus 12z, or x is equal to 14 plus 12z by 5. Equation 7. Putting the value of x and z in equation 3rd, we have x plus 2y plus z is equal to 0, or 14 plus 12z by 5 plus 2y plus z is equal to 0, or 2y is equal to minus z minus 14 plus 12z by 5, or 2y is equal to minus 5z plus 14 plus 14 plus 12z by 5 is equal to minus 17z plus 14 by 5, or y is equal to minus 17z plus 14 by 10. Equation 8. Putting the value of y in equation 6, we have 10 into minus 17z plus 14 by 10 minus 7z is equal to 96, or minus 17z minus 14 minus 7z is equal to 96, or minus 24z minus 14 is equal to 96, or minus 24z is equal to 110, or z is equal to minus 110 by 24 is equal to minus 55 by 12. Putting the value of z in equation 7, we have x is equal to 14 plus 12 into 15 by 12 minus 15 by 12 by 5 is equal to 14 minus 55 by 5 is equal to minus 41 by 5. Putting the value of z in equation 8, we have y is equal to 17 into minus 55 by 12 plus 14 by 10 is equal to minus 935 by 12 is equal to minus into minus 935 by 12 plus 14 by 10 is equal to minus into minus 935 by 12 plus 168 by 12 by 10 is equal to minus into minus 767 by 12 by 10 is equal to 767 by 120. So x is equal to minus 41 by 5, y is equal to 767 by 120, and z is equal to minus 55 by 12. Answer.